wala kang kilala ron.
Parang,
What are you implying?
Nothing. Sapa.
may meeting of minds ng dalawang to.
Baka buti na lang, magaling ako, baka nakasama pa ako.
Namuntikan ka na rin, ha? Hindi ka na naman natatawa, no? Hindi ka natatawa.
Ma-identify naman ang dental record si Ronald eh.
Ronald, di pa rin natatawa eh. Hindi pa rin natatawa.
Naawa ko sa kanya. He had threats on his life before.
Dalawang, hindi mo ba alam, he's been ambushed twice.
Yes, I know
Diba?
that.
Nakatakas siya, tumalon sa putik.
Oh, I don't think-
Ito yung nardong putik na totoo eh. Na nawawala sa putik to eh.
Ronaldong putik.
Nardong putik to eh.
O, may bago kang pangalan, Ronaldong putik.
Bodyguard. Yung totoong Nardong Putik, bodyguard ng tatay ni John Wick yun.
Biro mo, binaril na siya, nakatalon pa sa kotse, di ba? Tapos nakatakas pa, di ba? Ganun kagaling yan.
I don't see what's funny about that.
Huh?
Buti na lang
Because look
he's
at him,
alive to
he's
this
alive
day.
and thriving and he's
Oh,
telling stories about
which is great.
the
But it's not
stories of
funny.
his past. He
But
finds
you
it
know what?
funny. I find
But
it
you know
funny.
what? But you know what? I'm glad you guys have come to a good place, no? Kayong dalawa. Even though at some point it was very...
No, I was actually very young.
Life-threatening.
I was a very young man then, and I was not part of that scene. But I just heard stories about it after.
Siya yung Austin Powers namin dito eh. International Man of Mystery.
Oo. Pero sikat na sikat sa Cavite dati si Ronald yan, kaya alam na alam niya yung pangalan.
Panoorin nyo na lang yung pelikula ko.
Okay.
Nardong Burak.
I don't know what burak means.
Social mo naman, di ba naman Burak?
Ayan tuloy.
Social talaga.
Did you have to say that? Did you really have to say that on air?
Total, di alam mo anong Burak. Alam mo yung beach sa may Iloilo, yung pinupuntahan ng mga tao?
No.
Yung Boracay.
May,
Burak? What?
talo pa yung mga joke dito.
Secretary, wag niyong gambalain yan. Wag niyong gambalain na sa kuweba yan eh.
Ito lang.
Nay,
Napaprostrate na.
Hindi mapinta yung mukha tuloy.
is it disrespectful if I call my interior secretary corny?
Hoy, natatawa siya.
Corny din yan eh. Corny din
Si
yan, sir.
Ronald, natatawa rin.
Ay, corny din
Yung producer mo, natatawa rin, di ba? Bento siya. Ikaw lang ang Ikaw rin hindi natatawa dito eh.
Secretary, nasa lista yan. Secretary, nasa lista yan.
Kaya pala.
Yung talagang
Kilala
benta
sa'yo
yung,
yan, no?
hindi ko alam kung ano yung burak. You really have to say it on air.
Kasi pag nandito si Ronald, I say it, so he explains it to me.